The next step is to invest in property. Property investment is when you own or buy a property that you're not staying in and is generating income for you. This sort of income is passive income. With your business expansion, you'd want to keep your surplus of finance invested in precious metals or property. If the money only sits in a bank and does nothing, it will devalue over time due to the cost of inflation. Money, when not working, gets lazy and fat, and that is exactly what happens in a bank. A mere 1 to 3% interest rate gained is not enough to hedge against inflation of 10% or higher. There's a 7% gap at least. There are 3 steps to start investing in property: checking your funds, managing your finances, and creating an investment plan. The first step is to check your funds. This will give you a rough idea on the amount of cash that you have readily available to invest, or the remaining gap to invest. In this step, you would also need to understand all the costs involved in acquiring and maintaining a property, especially if it's your first time investing in one. If you do not do your research, it's easy to fall into the trap of a rookie investor. The property bought will have poor cash flow because after netting off all the uncounted expenses, net profit or net cash flow may be low to negative. To hedge against this is step number 2. Plan out a budget and manage your company profit and loss sheet, ensuring that recurring and operational costs are low and profit margins are healthy. A recommendation is to allocate 10 to 20% of company net profits into investing into property. Be disciplined about this, and after 1 to 3 years, you'll find that the company assets have doubled or tripled over the years because of the capital appreciation of good property. Step 3 is to create an investment plan. A successful long-term wealth creation through property investment requires that you set your personal goals, decide where you would want to end up, and then formulate a plan to get there. The purpose of the plan is to serve as a structure for you to stay in the game. Your investment plan may include detailing your strategy, doing your research, and setting up your preferred criteria for investment.